Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the hitch class and sway bar match the trailer tongue weight and towing vehicle. This prevents overload. Once done, park level, chalk wheels, and remove safety covers. You position the shank into the receiver, align the sway bar arms on the shank, then insert the primary mounting pin through the receiver and shank. Tighten the pin clip and hand thread any provided bolts. This secures the basic assembly so you can continue safely. Now you fine align the sway bar and trailer. Raise or lower the trailer tongue until the sway bar is slightly engaged. This lets it control lateral motion without inducing preload. Next, fasten the sway bar links to the trailer frame and to the bar arms, following torque specs on the hardware. Use a torque wrench for accuracy. Then fit anti-binding brackets or friction pads where indicated. These dampen movement and prevent noise, so make sure everything sits flush and moves smoothly. You finish by doing a complete safety check. Confirm all bolts are torqued, pin clips installed, electrical connections secure, and safety chains crossed. Once comfortable, take a short test drive at low speed to evaluate sway control during turns and braking. If the trailer still sways or you hear clunks, stop, loosen links, inspect for misaligned brackets, and adjust link lengths or pivot points. If binding remains, reseat bushings or consult the manual. This fixes most final issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.